So to start off with, you want to go to twitch.tv on your browser source. You'll be greeted with a privacy policy. Just give that a read, give it an accept, and then this is the front page. Most importantly, we have a dark theme or a light theme, your choice, but that's there. Once you're here, before you signed in, you'll be greeted with a front page. On the left, you'll have the recommended channels. You can sign up, and you have all these categories all the way down with recommendations, top streams, different versions, and all that kind of stuff. On the top right, you want to click log in, press sign up if you haven't signed up before, put your username in, your password, confirm your password, date of birth, put your email in, and then click sign up. If you already have an account, just sign in, put your username, password, or if you've previously connected via Facebook, click that. Once this is on the left hand side, you'll see your friends list in order if they're online and how many viewers they have. You can collapse this just to the avatars, give them all room, or you can expand it again. Underneath that, you will have recommended channels, and further down, you'll have online friends. So you can click on people's names and add them as a friend, so you can always see them online. So they're not mixed in with all the people that you just follow. You can see your friends. At the top, then you have a search bar. You can put in someone's name, like myself, Obi-Bear Kenobi. Then you can go direct to their channel. Make sure you click go to underneath. Once you are there or happy, you can go around, or you can click on there and it will give you all the names with similar names. So Moody UK will go in here. Down below, he's gonna have an about section with things about him, some links like follow, Twitter, and all that. And underneath, you have like these widgets. Usually there'll be a lot more with links to his social medias, Discords, all that kind of stuff. Now at the top left, you have a following section. So everybody that you follow will be in this. This is the overview. It shows generally everything. You can click on the tabs at the top, which is live. So it shows you everybody that is live. You've got videos, so all the VODs that they've got and clips are all set in this section. You've got hosts. So if they're hosting someone, you can click through that host. You got categories again. With this, you can follow straight from the front page, or you can click on this. It'll give you recommended categories, and you can click one. So Skyrim, my all-time favorite game. Click that. Press continue, and now I followed that live category, and I can get more recommendations from that. The channel section. This is all the ones you follow. You can add them as a friend from here. You can unfollow them. You can tick whether you want to get notifications from when they go live, and you can whisper them from here as well. Browsing section again is just all the categories that you can browse, and you can get the live channels through those sections as well. And then at the top, you got esports. So you've got your typical esports sections with Apex, Call of Duty, Fortnite, Siege, PUBG, everything you want. So if you want to see some of that, you've got a music section. Again, music section is all these music channels, people making great music. You've got the videos for them, and you've got clips from them. So you can browse some older stuff if you want to. And then you have the three dots with just general stuff about sections, advertisements, partners. You can check all this kind of stuff out. So up the top, you have your Prime loots. If you're a Prime member, you can get goodies on Twitch for games and stuff. You have your notifications, which shows you all the notifications of what you've achieved, or people going live. You have whispers. Every whisper has a little separate box. You can click on these and go back to your whispers and carry on. You have bits if you want to support your favorite streamers. You can purchase bits and donate to them that way. And then you have your avatar where all your background stuff is. You can have an online. You can show if you're online to everybody, or you can hide if you want to hide. Share your activity of what you've been up to. You've got your channel stuff, your created dashboard, friends, subscriptions, inventory, your dark themes here, general settings.